Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'll show you how we can import a CSV file, like a list of the contacts in contact section. We will also learn how we can create contacts or tag them or send emails and SMS from the contact section. So let's watch this video, and if you have any question, you can just drop a comment and I'll make sure I'll reply you. And if you want to book an appointment with me, you can find the link in the description channel. So let's start. In contact section, you can import contacts, you can create contacts manually as well. So you will click on the plus sign and you just need to type the first name, last name, email, and if you have a phone number, you can enter the phone number as well and then hit save. Make sure you do not check these boxes for DND. DND is do not disturb. So if you will check any box for DND, let's say for emails, they will not receive emails from you. Or if you will check the box for text messages, they will not receive SMS from you. So this is the contacts page. On the left side, you will see all the contacts fields like name, email, phone, etc. And in general info, you will find business name, city, country. Additional info, there is nothing for now, but you can create custom fields and they will be here. You can add tags manually. If you want to add tag with any contact, you can add them in automation, in any automation manually. Or if you want to see if this contact has any tag or if this is added in any automation, you can check it from here. Same with opportunities, you can also manually add them. In course offers, you can give them offer for any course. And yeah, from here you can see how this contact was created. On the right side, you can check the activity log, you can add notes, and you can create tasks. If you create any task, for example, if I have to send a contract, and you can type a description of the task, you can update a due date. Let's say I want to update it for next day. And you can assign the tasks. Let's say if you have virtual assistant, if you just want to assign it to yourself, and then you will hit save. These tasks will be they will be on the dashboard as well. So in notes, you can add any important notes, and in calendar, you will be able to check if they have any previous booked appointments, or if you have any documents relevant to this specific contact, you can add them here. You will be able to check all the transactions and subscriptions details from here. Now let's see how we import a CSV file. So if you have any contacts list that you want to import, if you are migrating from any other CRM, you will be able to import a list. Just make sure that list is in the CSV format. So you will click here, import contacts. In contacts, you will click on just make sure this contact is selected. You will hit next, and from here you will upload a file. Hit next. So on the right side, you will see all the fields in the system. On the left side, these are the fields in the file. So I have some sample data, and these are the two fields that are not in the system. So sometimes you have fields in the file that are not automatically generated, or that are not the general fields in the system. So you'll have to create those fields, and you can create those fields if you will go to settings on the bottom left corner, scroll down in custom fields, you can create these fields. Click on add field and you can select single line, multi-line, text box. I'm going to select single line, and the first question is industry, and the first field is industry. So I'm going to click on next. Industry, just leave it like that. In group, I'm going to select additional info and hit save. And then there is working since. So I can add another field, which can be a number field. In group, I'll save additional info, save. And now I'm going to upload this list again. So now these fields are also mapped, and you will hit next. Okay, so if you want to create a smart list, I'll show you what the smart lists are. So I am going to just name it test, and if you want to add these contacts in any workflow, you can select the workflow from here. And if you want to add any tag before importing the workflows in your account, you can select the tag from here, and then scroll down and hit I confirm all contacts in this. So you will click here and start bulk import. So now I have all the contacts here. I can select all the contacts. I can add them in any pipeline stage manually from here. I can add them in any automation in bulk. Then I can send SMS in bulk. I can send email in bulk. Then I can add or remove tags. I can delete contacts. Yeah, this is to export or import any file. And I can also send review request. You will have to uh, set up this review request under reputation on the left menu bar. I'll show you how we do that in one of my next videos. That's pretty much it. Now let me show you what the smart lists are. So you can create smart list. You can easily select them right now. Here you will see that these are all the contacts, and the ones that we have just imported, I have created a smart list for that file. So I can select all of these contacts only, and I can send message, or I can send SMS, email, add a tag, or like that. And if I go back, there is another way to create a smart list. For example, you have a couple of contacts that have purchased your course, or they, let's say, we can select these three contacts, and let's just add a tag with them. So you will click on the plus sign to add a tag. This action name is something that this is to track why you performed this action. And I'm going to add a purchased tag, and I'm going to, you can create tags here as well if tags are not already created in the system. So sorry, just type purchased and click here. Now this is created, and then hit add tags. So now once the tag is added, you can filter contacts by clicking on more filter. You will find a lot of option how you want to filter out the contacts. So let's say tag is, and I want to create a list of the people who have this tag purchased. I want to create a smart list. So I'll hit apply, and then from the bottom I'll click on save as smart list. So I will be able to create a smart list for the people who have this particular tag. You can click on manage smart lists on the top, and you will be able to manage smart lists from here. You can edit the name of the smart list, or you can copy smart list. You can share smart list with the people in the uh, yeah. So if you click on share with all users, it will be available for everyone in the in your agency account. Yeah, that's pretty much it. In bulk actions, you will be able to track if you have imported a file. You can track the stats from here. Here it will show if there is any error. So yeah, if you want to book a discovery call or a tech call with me, the link is given in description. See you in the next video. Have a good day.